Hey everyone, welcome back to BuddyDevelopers. I'm Naveen. Today we're diving into the top 5 best free recipe plugins in WordPress. If you're a food blogger or run a recipe website, these plugins will help you create, manage, and display your recipes beautifully. Let's get started. Number 1. WP Recipe Maker. This plugin is popular for its user-friendly interface and rich features. It allows you to add recipes to any post or page with a simple shortcode. You can also include images, videos, and step-by-step instructions to make your recipes more engaging. Number 2. Cooked Recipe Management. This plugin comes with a drag and drop recipe builder, making it easy to create detailed recipes. It also offers a built-in SEO feature to help your recipes rank higher in search results, along with a cooking timer and nutritional information. Number 3. Restaurant Fast Food. While it's primarily designed for restaurant menus, it works great for recipes too. You can categorize your recipes, add ingredients, cooking times, and even set calorie counts. It's a versatile plugin that fits various culinary needs. Number 4. WP Delicious. This plugin is perfect for food bloggers who want to add stylish recipes to their WordPress site. It supports recipe ratings, print-friendly versions, and even integrates with Pinterest to help share your recipes across social media. Number 5. Recipe Cards. This plugin offers multiple templates to choose from, making your recipes visually appealing. It includes features like adjustable serving sizes, cooking time, and even a shopping list. It's a fantastic choice for anyone looking to showcase their recipes professionally. And there you have it. Those are the 5 best free recipe plugins for WordPress to help you manage and display your recipes beautifully. We also provide WordPress development services. So if you need a customized theme or additional features for your website, we can help. To hire us, go to BuddyDevelopers.com and click on the Hire Us button. We'll also add the link in the description below. Join our Facebook group for support and help with GeoDirectory, WooCommerce, BuddyPress, and WordPress. It's a great place to ask questions, share your experiences, and connect with others who have the same interests. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, BuddyDevelopers, for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.